This video is part of a series where I create a complete pitch deck presentation template in PowerPoint. And in this video, we're going to be creating the title slide. I currently have PowerPoint open. You can go ahead and create a blank presentation in PowerPoint and we can just get started. So I'm going to select these two text boxes and I'm going to delete. So go over to either home or insert. Let's use home. And under shapes, let's go to basic shapes and we're going to insert a parallelogram, and I'm going to just click and we're going to have this. Let's go to shape outline and we're going to select no outline. Now extend the height of this shape so it covers the entire height of your slide, and then drag this so that it also covers the entire width of the slide. So you see this yellow handle here, just drag it till it's at just if you look at up at the ruler, my cursor is currently at the 0 mark on the ruler, and that's what we're going for. So it's going to be just around the center of the entire shape. Now as your shape is selected, Ctrl D to duplicate. So this one on the top, let's move it a little bit to the side so that we can move this one behind. So once again, I'm going to just move this a little bit to the side, and the goal is I want this middle edge, this center point, to be at the 7 mark. So I'm going to move it and I'm just going to place my mouse till it's around the 7 mark. I can grab this and bring this back into the frame so it fits perfectly within the shape. So now we can't really see much of a difference. Let's change the color of this one so we can see contrast. So while you're selected on the one on top, go to fill and change the color to the pure black color, completely black color. Now let's trim this edge. So go to shapes and just insert rectangle, and I'm just going to bring this. Select this shape first, the parallelogram, and then select the rectangle. Go over to merge options in shape formats and we're going to subtract, and now we'll have the shape. Let's change the fill of this shape. So let's go over to insert pictures and we're going to select stock images, and I'm going to search for building, and I'm going to scroll and I'm going for this image. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to insert it, and we'll give it a moment to load. Now as we inserted this image, just copy it, select the image, and I like to copy multiple times because sometimes it may not work. Copy the image and then delete it. If you're not confident that maybe you didn't copy or something, you can leave it as it is, but I'll just delete it. Come over to this shape, the blue shape, right click, go to format shape, go to fill, and then select picture or texture fill. And for me, it's already set to clipboard. So if you're on, normally by default, it's going to fill with a texture. But if you didn't, all you need to just select clipboard and it's going to fill with the image. And now we have this image in the background as the fill for this particular image. So yeah, that's what our background looks like. Now let's add in our text. So let's go over to insert. Let's select a text box. So I'm just going to have this all in, can't see it yet because it's the text color is black. So I just typed in pitch deck and I'm going to change this to Aptos display headings. Size is going to be 72, and let's change the text color to white so we can see our text. I'm going to extend it so we can see the text, and I'm going to make it bold also. Let me extend this and let's center this text. So the position for this text is going to be, so the bottom of this text box is touching the center line, as you can see here. So we can just see that it's touching just the bottom of our center line, and then try to center the text just within that parallelogram. Next, let's insert a rectangle. Go to shapes, and then we're going to insert a rounded corners rectangle, and I'm just going to draw that here. Go to outline, select no outline, and for the height make it 4, and for the width make it 18. We're just going to leave the rounded corners. I wanted to see if it looks all right. Yes, it does. Let's change the fill of this shape to white, and then under shape effect, go to shadow, and then use this first shadow option like this. Now let's insert another text box. So you can either go to home or insert. Let's go to insert and go to text box, and I'm just going to type in my text, which is going to be PowerPoint presentation templates. And I'm just going to select the text, and I'm going to change the size of this to 24, and I'm just going to center this text on this rectangle. Let me just select both of them, go to arrange, align center, and I'm going to align middle. And now I'm just going to move this so that it's touching the bottom of our text box, and then also move it so that it's just at the edge here. So this position is fine for it. But yeah, that's it for the title slide. Let's see what it looks like in the slideshow review. So I'm going to open this, and yeah, this is the title slide for our presentation.